So I want to show you the possibilities that you have when you 3D print jewelry instead of other things that you have out there in the market. So I filled here my printing table with charms. They are tiny little ducks, okay? They do use more material than the earrings I have for the STL files. But you can see here, I have here about 110 small ducks, which they will sell very easily around $6 to $7. If you look here on the left, you will see that it will take 4 hours to print, which is not a lot compared to other products that you have in the market, and it's going to use 80 grams of material. So what can we do here to know exactly what's going to be our profit once those 110 little ducks are sold? I have here my calculator, and I already filled this with what I usually pay for the spool, how much filament I'm going to use, other expenses like the electricity and things like that, and this calculator will give me the end result. So the end result for me is I'm going to have about $26 of expense to print 110 charms, and I will have a profit selling them at $7 each, which could be more depending on where you live. $743 for that sale. Well, look at this. I'm having a 2,800 percentage profit margin here, and during those 4 hours that all those 110 units were being printed, of course I will be doing other stuff. So that's the power of 3D printed jewelry. They, in the case of charms, for example, people put them on their keychains, they put on their phone, they put on pens. There are many uses for that, as well as the earrings, pendants, and other. People love to reward themselves with small things that don't cost them a lot, and nobody's going to cry about $7, not even $10. So look at the profit margin that you can be doing here, and how really 3D printed jewelry is the way to go.